Nakuha ng Boston Celtics ang kanilang 18th championship matapos talunin ng Dallas Mavericks sa Game 5 ng NBA Finals. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandairel.
Pinagharian ng Boston Celtics ang 2024 NBA season matapos talunin ang Dallas Mavericks sa Game 5 ng NBA Finals ngayong Martes ng umaga. Hindi na hinayaan pa ng Celtics na mapahaba ang serye nang tambakan ang Mavericks 106-88. Pinangunahan ni Jason Tatum ang koponan nang gumawa ng 30 points, 11 assists at 8 rebounds. Dinagdagan pa yan ng kanyang co-star na si Jaylen Brown ng 21 markers, 8 boards, 6 dimes at 2 steals. Si Brown ang hinirang bilang Finals Most Valuable Player.
I think we learned from all our mistakes, all of our adversity. I think it's made us stronger, made us tougher. And all season you can see it. We started from the jump. We made all the sacrifices. We played both ends of the ball at a high level. We didn't skip any steps. And this was the result. All of those experiences led to here. Like all of those moments where we came up short. We felt like we let the city down. We felt like we let ourselves down. All of that compiled is how we get to this moment.
It's a real feeling. Still hasn't really kicked in yet. Just trying, I guess, enjoy the moment. I kept saying, wow.
Samantala, dismayado man sa naging resulta, naniniwala si Dallas superstar Luka Doncic na kailangan lang nilang mag-focus sa mga mapupulot nilang aral sa experience na ito.
They're a great team. They've been together for a long time, and they had to go through everything. So we just got to look at them, see how they play, maturity, and they have some great players. We can all learn from that.
Matapos masungkit ang kanilang banner number 18, ang Celtics na ang nag-iisang franchise sa liga na may pinakamaraming titulo sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Rafael Bandairel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.